One Monday morning, at the break time, Zippy, Zappy, and Philo were playing with a ball in the playground.
Suddenly, Zippy threw the ball to Zappy, but it hit Falconetti, the teacher.
He fell down.
Falconetti said to Zippy, Zappy, and Philo to go to the punishment room.
While Zippy and Philo were playing, Zappy was thinking.
Then he saw a bag with marbles next to the extinguisher.
Zappy showed the marble to his friend, and suddenly they had got an idea, a very good idea.
Zippy took a plan of the school and showed it to Philo. They went to escape.
Philo pressed the button to open the door.
The door was open.
They started running faster and faster, but they lost the plan.
Falconetti found the plan.
But he didn't understand anything.
Suddenly, Zippy, Zappy, and Philo were lost. They didn't know where the plan was.
Philo said,
"Don't worry, I have my power."
He tested the special cream that was in the glue stick and
and the power of the photography memory worked.
They remembered the plan, and they could find the way to escape.